Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your spreadsheets come alive and tell a story visually, today's tutorial is for you. We're going to learn how to add an interactive map, specifically a geochart, right inside Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn simple data like country populations into an engaging, clickable map that brings numbers to life and helps you spot trends at a glance. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to have some data ready in your Google Sheet. For our example today, we'll be mapping population numbers across a handful of countries. Picture a table with two columns, one for the country name and one for its population. Let's say you've got countries like the United States, Canada, Brazil, the United Kingdom, Germany, India, China, Australia, South Africa, and Japan. For now, you can leave the population column blank or fill it in with real numbers if you have them. It's the structure that matters for this demo. Once you've got your data set up, the next thing we need to do is highlight it. Don't just click on one cell, go ahead and drag your mouse or use Shift plus click to select both columns, all of your country names plus their population values. This tells Google Sheets that you want to use all of it for your chart and avoids any blank spots or missing data on your map. Now with the data highlighted, look up at the top menu and find Insert. Click it and from the drop-down choose Chart. It might look simple, but this button is your gateway to a ton of visual options in Sheets. When your chart pops up, you'll notice Sheets picks a default style, usually a column or bar chart, but we're making a map. So next, look for the Chart Editor sidebar that appears often on the right side of your screen. In the Chart Editor, you'll see an option for chart type. Go ahead and click this drop-down menu, scroll until you see GeoChart. It might have a little globe icon next to it, select that one. In an instant, your boring list transforms into a color-coded map of the world. Each country from your data is shaded on the map, and the color intensity reflects the population you've entered. The higher the population, the deeper or brighter the color. This visual cue helps you grasp the differences at a glance. But here's the really cool part, this map is interactive. When you or anyone looking at your sheet hovers their mouse over a country, a tooltip pops up showing exactly which country it is and what its population is. This makes your data spring to life. Imagine sharing this with coworkers or classmates. You won't just be handing over numbers, you'll be giving them a dynamic map they can explore. If your map doesn't look right at first, don't worry. Sometimes small typos in country names can throw things off, or your columns might not be labeled. Make sure your labels match actual country names and the chart should update automatically. And remember, even if you're missing some population numbers, the map will still display what's there. You can always go back and fill in the rest later. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed basic data into an interactive map you can use in presentations, reports, or just to wow your team. Adding this kind of visualization can really make your spreadsheet stand out and help people understand your data instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Got questions or want to share how your own GeoChart turned out? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And if you want more helpful tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.